Oh dear. Right, let's see if you start. Hooray! Oh man. Hey guys, how's it going? So I thought I would start this by saying Happy New Year to you all. I hope you had a great holiday break. Notice I don't say the C word because I absolutely hate that C word. Yeah, bar humbug. And I hope that you, those of you that watched it, enjoyed the Scotland videos. I felt I worked quite hard on them to get them up on a good schedule. But anyway, I'll let you go back and watch them if you haven't seen them. Or if you want to see them, that is. Yeah, anyway. So yeah. New year, new me, blah blah blah. You'll be the same me, yeah. I just thought, I've not been out on the bike since December. I've not done an actual vlog for you since I got the gsxr back, just because it's been so freaking cold. But you know what, today, the weather's not too bad, the roads are dry, it is a little bit, it is very cold. But it's nice enough to get out of the bike, I just need to get out of the bike. And I thought, why not bring you for the ride? Not going anywhere in particular, pardon me, but I thought I would do a little vlog, just a bit of an update, tell you what's happening, and then to ask something of you. In fact, no, I might ask something of you first, because some people quit out before I get to that point. So, I've been vlogging now since 2015, since I first got the Honda. The start of 2015, almost. And I've hit a bit of a wall. I don't know how to, you know, I fully appreciate every single one of you guys that come and watch my channel and come watch my videos. I know they're not the most glossier videos out there. I know that there are better people out there, there's more educated people, there's more better people that use English as their language. I know there's people out there that have better scenery to see each time they take you out for a ride. But you get what you get with me. But what I'm asking of you now, I want to make the channel grow a bit this year. I want to just, I've been stuck, I know I've said previously, and people say, shouldn't worry about the numbers will come. But I've been stuck at a particular figure of subscribers now for quite a while. Howdy. And I would like to get up to the next milestone, which for me is 500. It's not too far away, it's 78 people, 78 subscribers. No, not even 78, sorry, 28. I need about 28 more subscribers and that will be me at 500. Then I'll be happy. So, now this is where it comes in for you. I'm not going to go and tell you to go and share the shit out of this post to every single person, all your friends and that, because that's not how I roll. I want people to come because they want to see the content that I'm going to create. What I want to know from you is what will help with that content. What do you guys want to see from me? Is basically what I'm asking. I need your help here. I could go and do the same thing over and over again, which is go out for a little ride, have a little natter, moan, say I'm fat, hello doggy. But when it comes down to it, I want to make the content for you. I want to know, so yeah, I want to put the best content out that you guys want to see. And I can only do that if you guys help me and tell me what you want to see. So yeah, if you could just comment below and tell me what, you know, just answer that one question for me. I will be eternally grateful and I will try and do what you're asking for. As long as it's not something stupid like make a sex tape or, believe me, you don't want to see that. It's not good. Granted, it'll be one of the shortest videos you'll ever watch in your life. What are you guys doing? Anyway, now that bit's over, now that's the I need help part of the video, I'll just give a couple of updates. So you remember last year for a little while I done Project CBR and had the van and stuff. Well, Project CBR is now gone, it's closed off. I gave up with it. In essence, I didn't have the time to work on it, and the time I did have, when I did have time, I just couldn't be asked to go outside, pull it out the back of the van, work it at the side of the road. If I need anything, I have to put it all back away, and ideally, I need a garage. Now, I could have gone and paid a bit of money, taken it to an actual mechanic and got to sort out the last few bits. I mean, it wasn't a lot, it was just a bit of a fueling issue, carburetor, blah, 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 blah. But for me, I just cut my losses. Sold it on to another guy who's going to do the final bits and use it as a track bike. Fair play. The van itself, I had a couple of plans for the van. Well, when I was thinking about a van originally, I'm sure I said it in a previous video, I would have loved to have converted the van into a bit of a camper and do a little bit of touring in the van. But the van, it was a dog. It had so many issues. The 6th gear fell out when I brought it. I'm sure the MOT it had on there, it had a year's MOT, but I'm sure it was a dodgy AF MOT, should I say, to say the least. You know, pay me a bit more money and there's your MOT certificate, thank you very much. And I don't think, I didn't have the money to put aside to get that MOT done, get the MOT done properly, get all the work done to get it through. So again, cut my losses and sold it for not a lot of money. But it's gone now, so I'm just left with my bike and my car. It was a good thought when I sort of first thought about it though. Anyway, that's the big updates on them bits. They're gone. I will probably get another track bike in the near future, but basically I need to save a bit of money for it first, and I'm going to get something a bit, I'm not going to say better, it'll still be a super sport, it's just working on what to go for. For me though, it's going to have to be something that's fuel injected, not carburetor, because carburetor seems to be a bit of a dark art. If I don't do that, howdy, I will instead go for possibly some track fairings and whack them on a gsxr. There's no way I'm taking these fairings on a track, just because I know if they get damaged how much it's going to cost to get them repaired and how much pain I'm going to go through to get them repaired. I'm sure that makes sense. It makes sense in my head anyway. Now, track days. Clearly I still have the track day bug. I didn't do as many as I wanted last year. A couple of Christmases ago, before I got sick, I was given a no limits track day voucher, which obviously has a year on it, and I never got to use it, and I got to the point I was almost going to lose it because I hadn't used it. And then Biker Dave said, oh, there's a basically pre-season track day up at Brands Hatch in February. Yes, it's going to be freaking cold, could be wet. I thought for 99 quid I'll use the voucher on it, so it brought it down to £45 for me. Can't say fairer than that. So yeah, I've got a track day in February. Now Metalhead, what are you going to do? You don't have a track bike and you've just said you're not going to take this gsxr out on there. Well, I have something planned for that. It's going to cost me a bit of money, but I'm going to hire a track day bike for the day from one of the track day companies. Should be a bit of a laugh. And that brings me on to my final point. I know I've said it many times before, I have to lose weight. So I have started going back to the gym again, started before Christmas. Ah crap, sorry I said the C word. Started going to the gym again. I need to drop a bit of weight to get back into my suit. Now that is pretty much it from me for the moment, so I will leave you guys there. But yeah, for the moment, thank you ever so much for watching, guys. I'm going to try and make content a bit more regular again, weather dependent. Right, anyway, thank you for watching, guys. We'll see you later. Ride safe. See, it's such a long time since I've done this, I forgot how to end a video. Thanks for watching, guys. Ride safe. There you go. See you later. Bye.